Very happy afternoon, children. This is Shakti. Very warm welcome to 8th Standard English Classroom. Today we are going to start Unit 2, Pros to Friendship. Dear children, the topic is I have my childhood friendship that are still strong today. Do you have? In this lesson, friendship. It also teaches about how the depth their friendship is and how can they help each other. We are going to learn. It has three sections. Today we have to learn first and second section. Okay, now let's start the lesson. Vetri was once a successful businessman in Coimbatore. So Vetri is the main character from here. Once at one time, ஒரு சமயத்தில். Successful businessman, a very wealthy person in Coimbatore. So Vetri Constructions was once a leading construction company. One of the leading construction company in Coimbatore is Vetri's Construction. His company constructed many shopping complexes, houses, and a few apartments in and around Coimbatore. So his company constructed for many shopping complexes. Complex that means what? Mall. Easily shortenedly we had called mall. With the different built-up places consisting of many different and connected parts that is called a complexes. Easily called mall. Houses and a few apartments. Apartment that means building with many floors that is called apartments around in Coimbatore. So he had many shopping complexes, houses and few apartments around in Coimbatore. Everything went well until his father died. Until his father died, everything went well. எல்லாமே நல்லா தான் போயிட்டு இருந்துச்சு அவங்க அப்பா இறக்கிறதுக்கு முன்னாடி வரைக்கும். After his father's death, his brothers demanded to split the wealth as they wanted to start their business separately. After his father's death, வெற்றியோட ஃபாதர் இறந்ததுக்கு அப்புறமா his brothers demanded. Whose brothers? Vetri's brothers. Demanded. Demanded that means wanted to have. So they had asked authoritatively to split their wealth. Split that means divide. So divide means they have to divide their wealth. அவங்க அவங்களுடைய சொத்துக்களை பிரிக்க சொல்லி கேட்குறாங்க. Okay. And wealth as they wanted to start their business separatively. Separatively that means individually. ஸோ ஒவ்வொருத்தரும் அவங்கவுங்க தனித்தனியாக ஒரு பிஸ்னஸ் ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணணும். ஸோ they have to demand to Vetri to split the wealth. Okay. Next. From then that means next என்ன நடக்குது அப்படின்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா on Vetri found it difficult to establish his business, so he wanted to establish his business. He took loans to run his company, but he could not pay the loan, so he sold all his properties and paid the loans. Vetri's family now lived in a very small home. So he tried to develop his company, had taken loan, but it is too burden to him to repay the loans. So what he had done after that, he sold his wealth and getting paid for his loans. So he sold all his properties and getting paid to the loans. Okay, so by doing this, the result, Vetri lost all his properties. So then his family moved to very small home because now he is very poor. Next. Vetri found a job. So Vetri found a job and started to lead a normal life. But he always longed to start a new construction company. So he got a new job and spent a normal life. Normal life, regular or ordinary life he had spent. But he always longed to start. Long, that means he desired. So he had wished very much for that to start a new construction company. But he did not know how to get the money to start a company. But he didn't know that how to get money. No one was ready to lend him money. Lend, that means give money as loan. So கடன் கொடுக்கிறது. So no one is ready to lend him. So யாரும் கடன் கொடுக்க ரெடியா இல்லை. One day, as he discussed with his wife, so they had talked about this. Who had talked about? So as Vetri and his wife. Okay, he discussed with his wife. They had talked about that. His wife said, "Why don't you ask your friend as if you often said that you are good friends?" So his wife, Vetri's wife, asked him, "Why don't you ask your friend as if?" நீங்கள் ஏன் கடன் உங்கள் ஃப்ரெண்ட் ஆசிஃப் கிட்ட கேட்கக்கூடாது. ஒன்ஸ் அப்பான் அ டைம் யூ வேர் வெரி குட் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ். யூ ஆஃபன்லி டோல் தட். நீங்கள் அடிக்கடி சொல்லியிருக்கீங்க நீங்கள் ரெண்டு பேருமே ரொம்ப திக் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் அப்படின்னு. ஸோ வெற்றி ரிப்ளை டு ஹர், எஸ், பட் ஹீ இஸ் இன் சென்னை. ஹீ இஸ் வெரி பிஸி வித் ஹிஸ் பிஸ்னஸ். ஐ டோன்ட் திங்க் இட் வுட் பி வெரி ஈஸி டு மீட் ஹிம். ஸோ Vetri answered to his wife, he is in Chennai. Now he is in Chennai. அவன் சென்னையில் இருக்கான். He is very busy with his business. அவனுடைய பிஸ்னஸில் ரொம்ப பிஸியாக இருக்கான். I don't think it would be very easy to meet him. அவனை மீட் பண்ணுறது அவ்வளோ ஈஸியான விஷயம் இல்லை அப்படி சொல்லி வெற்றி அவங்க ஒய்ஃப் கிட்ட சொல்லிட்டு இருக்கான். Wife asked, why don't you give it a try? Vetri said, I haven't seen him for a long time. What will he think of me if I ask him to help now? So, they hadn't met recently. ஸோ அவங்க இது வரைக்கும் என்ன பண்ணல, மீட் பண்ணதில்லை, ரொம்ப நாள் ஆச்சு. லாங் டைம் பிஃபோர் தே மெட். ஸோ இஃப் ஐ ஆஸ்க் ஹிம் டு ஹெல்ப் நவ், இப்போ நான் அவங்ககிட்ட ஹெல்ப் கேட்டால், வாட் வில் திங்க் ஆஃப் மீ, அவன் என்னை பற்றி என்ன நினைப்பான் அப்படி சொல்லி வெற்றி அவங்க ஒய்ஃப் கிட்ட ஆன்சர் பண்ணுறான். Wife said, then forget the idea to start a new business. ஸோ அப்படின்னா மறந்துடுங்க, நியூ பிஸ்னஸ் ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணணுன்ற ஒரு ஐடியா இருக்கு இல்லையா. ஸோ யூ ஹாவ் டு ஃபர்கெட் இட். Vetri, after deep thought, decided to meet his friend. He told his wife about his decision and took the next available train to Chennai. What he had said, he had think of that. So deep thinking. அவன் என்ன பண்ணுறா, திங்க் பண்ண ஆரம்பிச்சிட்டான். Then he had decided to meet his friend. So he has told to his wife. அவன் ஒய்ஃப் கிட்ட சொல்கிறான் அவனுடைய டெசிஷன் பார்த்து. நெக்ஸ்ட்டு அவைலபிள் ட்ரெயின் எப்போ இருக்கோ அதில் அவங்க நான் போய் மீட் பண்ண போகலாம் அப்படின்னு அவன் திங்க் பண்ணியிருக்கான். ஓகே, ஸோ ஃபைனலி ஹேட் அ டெசிஷன் டு மீட் ஹிஸ் ஃப்ரெண்ட் அட் சென்னை. ஸோ switching the available train to Chennai immediately, then he started to go to Chennai. Okay, next second section. Section 2. On the day of his travel, Vetri boarded the train. So he started a travel. Vetri boarded the train. Here the word boarded. You already know the word boarded, but we always used here before catch. For example, I catch the bus on time. The word catch is not a good one. So hereafter you have to use catch instead of the word boarded. Okay, boarded, that means got into. Okay, நான் அந்த பஸ்ஸில் ஏறினேன், அந்த ட்ரெயினில் ஏறினேன். Now the sentence is, so you have to replace it. I catch the bus on time. That is not a good one. You have to use I board the bus on time. Okay, now get back to the lesson. Vetri boarded the train. So Vetri train ஏறிட்டான். His memory went back to his school days. They lived in the beautiful village Kelakudi near Coimbatore. So he went back. He have to remember the school days. So they lived in Kilakudi, where it is near in Coimbatore. So the village had a middle school in the outskirts. So middle school, that means um, first standard to 8th standard only at there in the school. So outskirts that means um, outer place, that is the border of the village. Okay, border of the village or end of the village, and the village oda எல்லை அப்படின்ற மாதிரி சொல்லலாம். It is in the school where Vetri had met Asif. The students and the teachers of the school would never forget Vetri and Asif and their friendship. They were always together in learning and playing. So the school, the students and the teachers அந்த ஸ்கூலில் படித்த ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸும் அண்ட் டீச்சர்ஸ் never forget them. So they always remembering their friendship. Their, that means Vetri and Asif's friendship. So they were always together. They were always together in learning and playing. Learning, that means studying and playing, as well as studying and otherwise playing. Whatever they had with togetherness. Okay, next. Their friendship started on the first day of school. So, very first day, we also met our friend for the first day to see at the school. So, they also the same for Vetri and Asif. When Vetri's parents dropped him at the school, he started crying. Asif consoled him with a chocolate and said, "Don't cry." So, Vetri's parents dropped him in the school. While he started crying, Asif consoled him. Console, that means comforted him. Okay, comforted him to give chocolate and said not to cry. We will play after the bell. ஸோ சாக்லேட் கொடுத்துட்டு அழாத சொல்லிட்டு நெக்ஸ்ட் நான் சொல்கிறான், பெல் அடிச்சதுக்கு அப்புறமா நம்ம விளையாட போகலாம் அப்படின்னு they as if had consoled Vetri. After that day, stayed together, played together, and even exchanged their food. Their friendship grew stronger with time. They were always good in studies and helped each other in lessons. They also helped others with other children. So after that day, the following days are they always being together, and also they had exchanged their food also. Their friendship built much stronger, and also they had helped both of them. So both of two friends good in studying and also helping other children. Okay, next. One day there was a quarrel between Vetri and Asif families, and both families stopped talking to each other. To everyone's surprise, they continued to be good friends. One day there was a quarrel between Vetri and Asif families. So their family, Asif and Vetri's family, had fought and quit. Quit means stopped to talk each other. They both quarreled, but everyone's surprise, they continue to be good friends. So they both are kith and kin. So they continue to be a good friends. So they are very close together. Their bonding of friendship is unbreakable. So there was always a healthy competition between them. Healthy competition, that means good contest. So they had some good contest too with both of them. Surprisingly, the exam, the results, and the mocks never affected their friendship. Their friendship continued till 10th standard. So sometimes friendship may broken for the result of their studies, and some may be to compare with their friends marks, attractions, and so on. So that time definitely had a cold war and affected their friendship. It had broken. But here, Vetri and Asif, there was always a healthy competition. Healthy competition. Healthy competition, already I mentioned it. Good contest. So they took sportively for a good contest. And surprisingly, the exam, particularly for that exam, results, marks never affected their friendship. So, i- their marks or exams, whatever it is, never affected, never disturbed their friendship. Next, their friendship continued till 10th standard. Then Vetri moved to Coimbatore and Asif to Chennai. So, after 10th standard, their families moved. So, Vetri moved to Coimbatore. Vetri Coimbatore போயிட்டான். Next, Asif to Chennai. Asif started his business in Chennai and settled there. Settled that means stayed permanently. So permanently அவங்க என்ன பண்ணா அங்கே settle ஆகிட்டு. Vetri always wanted to meet his friend but never had a chance to visit Chennai. So he oftenly thinks that he always think about to meet his friend Asif but had never chance to visit. Now Vetri is going to meet. So going on the way as he is thinking about the remembering of his childhood days and their friendship. So thank you children. Section 3 will going to see the next class and will know about them. What will happen when Vetri met Asif and Asif also thinking the same friendship bond as Vetri as he going to help him or neglect him. We'll discuss on the next class. Once again, thank you children.